What's up, everybody? We got a new video today at the Wallace Farm and Sawmill. Multiple camera angles. We about to get into some sawing, and today's video is going to be about, usually I do most of the sawing and she does the off-bearing. We're flipping things around today.
Places, guys.
And Brittany's going to do most of the sawing on this log, and I'm going to do all the off-bearing on this log. And we're going to see how it works. Let's get to it. But before we get that started, we got to move some stuff out of the way. We cut this pallet yesterday afternoon. Got a few boards from late yesterday. We got to end up taking over here to the chop saw and yeah, do some strapping, move some pallets around. So Brittany went over there to cut a strap. We're gonna put that strap around this pallet, of course, but I thought I'd take some time. We do got a lot of wind today, forewarning. I'll take this time to tell you guys that, you know, we talked about the mill upgrade in like 2-3 videos back, and that's still the plan, but we are awaiting the sale of the sawmill before we do that. Now it is listed and it's out there. Man, that wind is getting it right now.
It blew it out of my hand.
Uh-oh. So we are awaiting that sale. I do have one guy that's, you know, he's interested and says he's going to take it. I have it listed for a great deal. Email us if you are interested in that. And then maybe soon we can reveal to you guys what sawmill we plan to get. Now, we actually have one picked out, and can't tell you just yet, but it is an upgrade. Yeah, so keep your guesses down below. I love to see the comments, and active engagement does help boost us in the algorithm. So yeah, keep guessing on which sawmill you think it would be, or if you don't want to guess what you think it would be, tell us what you think it should be.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good one right there. Brittany, you at this point probably strapped more bundles than I have.
Pretty much.
I'm usually getting on the tractor and getting ready to get it.
Except I'm not as tall as you, so I have to climb on the pallet.
Yeah, she usually sits up. Well, I don't say usually. I guess that's what you're about to do, huh? Okay, I'm gonna record it because it's funny. I actually do look over here every day, guys, and this is literally
like sitting here like a bird.
Yeah, she's perched up over here getting that. I can do it from the side because I have the height I need, I guess. Look at the wind.
It's rough.
I hope the audio isn't just terrible. But if it is, guys, just turn us down.
So now that I got that strapped, Tyler's coming with the tractor to pick it up.
Now look, check it out. That's 2 down and like 15, 20 more to go.
Let's get to it.
Last little bit from this log going into the stack. So 1 tier of this pallet came out of that log. Not too bad.
Pretty good log.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, Brittany, the question is, right now, what do you think about sawing with this wind blowing and taking over my spot at the sawmill head right there?
As soon as I turned the sawmill off, I was like, what a nightmare.
Yeah, if you got a windy day like today, it's just peppering you in the face, which I know enclosing the building could help. And we got plans for that in the future, big plans for that. But, you know, also in the summertime, it's nice that it's open. So
True.
it just really depends on the situation. And today, an enclosed building, an enclosed building would be much better today. So we might put some roll-ups on the thing, you know, tarp, something like that one day. Who knows? But we got to get this wood chopped up and stacked over there.
Hey, you're behind.
I am bad. Okay, guys, we are winding this one down. It's actually a bad day to be recording because we have like high wind gusts around here. We are currently hiding in the chicken pen, the chicken coop, so that we can, you know, record an ending to our video. So if you guys like this type of content, you want to see us sawmilling, and you want to see everything else we get into with the horses and the fishing and everything. We do it all over here. Like, comment, and subscribe. What do you want to add, Miss Brittany?
Check us out over on Patreon and check out our merchandise and our Instagram page. Those will all be in a link below in the description.
Check out the links in the description. Instagram, Patreon, all those things.
All those
and until next time, guys.
See ya.
Bam.